All right, I got the Luxigo high pressure shower head combo. No tools or plumber required, it says, which is a good thing because as it turns out, I'm not a plumber. So this was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this thing up and see what we got. A rain shower head is one of those things that I've just recently got, and I never knew that I needed one. Now I just can't picture my life without a rain shower head. So I look at that 304 stainless steel, baby. The cool thing about a setup like this is you can actually just install it all right on a table or a desk, workshop bench, however you want to do it. And when you're done, this is the part right here that's just going to screw onto the nozzle. So you can put it all together and screw it on and you're good to go. They gave us two washers here. We'll have to figure out where those go, but let's just start with this hose right here. You've got two ends on this hose. One has kind of a conical shape on it. The conical shaped side is going to attach to the handle. And they've capped these off right here. So if we unscrew this cap, we can see that they've actually got a washer in there for us already. We'll Teflon tape all these three spots. This spot, and this spot. Because we're gonna need it, might as well just do it right now in one shot right here on the bench. Just gonna do a couple wraps on this. Wraps on there. Teflon tape helps keep water from getting through the threads. Next, we know that this section right here with the threaded part on here, the large threaded part on here by the diverter, is going to be attached to our stem coming out of the wall. So this section right here is going to be the square end of the hose. Make sure we've got a washer in there already. We do have a washer in there, so let's install this. All right, that section's on. The cone shaped side is going to go on to the handheld sprayer. All right, so that's it. That's done, that's easy. Third piece of the puzzle is going to be the shower head. Shower head itself has a cap on the back here, I'm assuming, because they've already put the washer in there. Have they? Yes, they have. There's a washer inside of there already. That's going to screw on here. That goes on there. We'll put some pliers on there too. And now you can see it's taking shape right here. We're going to connect this guy to our shower head and use these arms to adjust it. I'm going to go downstairs and put this thing on the shower head. Now we're down to the final thing we have to do. So remove your old shower head, clean off some of the old Teflon tape. We'll put some new Teflon tape on there. So now we're down to the point where we've already assembled everything. We're going to take one of these washers. They gave us two. We're going to stick it into here. And we are going to attach this to here with the hose part coming down. You're just going to hold it in place, wiggle it around a little. I'm going to take some channel locks here. Which is probably not the right tool, but that's what I'm doing. Crescent wrench would be perfect for this. I just don't have one on me right now. I don't want to crank it too much because I don't want that arm on the wall turning. And now that we've got it attached, we're pretty much good to go. We just have to adjust this 11-inch arm. So you just unscrew that, get it set into the place that you want, and then you can adjust this arm to do the same. Look at that, I'm 6'2", and this thing's towering over me. I kind of like that. I can even lower it a little. The last thing we have left to do is to install this, which the shower head sits in. Now, I have already previously installed one on here for a different shower head, and it actually is the same exact thing. It's an adhesive back strip right here. This piece just clips onto it. It slides right on there. Let's pull this strip off, get it level where you want in your shower, make sure it's all nice, dry, and clean. Stick it on the wall, give it a little while, and your shower head hangs up on there. Or you can turn it this way if you like, however you want to do it. There it is, my rain shower head. How cool is that? Now over here is a lever that will divert the water from the shower head to the handle. So you can either fully use the hand wand like this, or you could set it in the middle and use both if you want, which is what's happening right here. If you can see that. Let's check out the wand. So we got one setting. Like a power setting, that's pretty strong. Oh, look at that. Actually, this would be great for washing rigatoni. And this power setting right here on here would be great for cleaning the bathroom off itself. Look at that. There's a button on the back right here. It's a super power setting. Look at that. Okay, that's for cleaning the shower. Holy cow, that's pretty awesome. Press this button and it shoots a jet out of the top of it. Wow. So yeah, so there it is. Rain shower head. Super easy to install. Took me about 15-20 minutes maybe. I installed it all on the desk. right in front of you, 3 pieces, and I attach it to my shower, and I'm done. Easy as that. So if you're looking for a cool 10-inch rain shower head that I can't live without anymore, with an 11-inch arm, 304 stainless steel, and a wand with 3 settings and a power setting, check out the Luxigo rain shower head. Check it out.